If you are a small creator in 2026 and your views are still low or your content still have low views, this video is not to hype you. It's here to show you what actually builds growth, because low view can make you feel invisible. You start wondering if YouTube is ignoring you or if your effort even matters. But what if I tell you some of the most important growth on YouTube happen even before the views look good? Today, I want to share a simple growth blueprint for small creators, especially if your views are low but you're still showing up. One of the most biggest lies small creators believe is this: if my views are low, I'm failing. So we chase number, we check the analytics, we compare ourselves with creators who are already years ahead of us. But YouTube growth doesn't start with views, it starts with signals. And many creators quit right at the stage where those signals are quietly forming. YouTube doesn't watch how many people click on your video or how many people watch your video. YouTube watches what happens after they click. It pays attention to how long they stay, whether they come back to watch again, or whether they come back to watch another content of yours on that channel, whether they comment or interact. If even a small group of people are watching you longer, are returning to watch again, and are also engaging or interacting in your content, that matters a lot. That sends a positive signal to the algorithm. Low views with real engagement is a better signal than a high views with no connection at all. So here's a simple growth blueprint you can use right now. First, build connection before scale. If 3 people comment on your content, reply to those 3 people. Call them by names if you can. Make them feel seen or make them feel they are being noticed. Second, talk to one person, not a crowd. Most small creators speak as if they are already talking to thousands of people. But in the beginning, growth happens when you speak like you're talking to one real human being. Third, ask for conversation, not just subscribers. End your video with a real question, not for engagement tricks, but to invite dialogue. This small action creates trust, and trust is what turns viewers into supporters. Here is something most people don't like to hear. Low views can actually be an advantage. When the audience is small, you can learn who your content is really for, improve without pressure, and build relationships early. Big audience comes with noises. Small audience comes with clarity. If you build the right foundation now, growth later becomes easier and more stable. If you are building your channel and it feels slow, don't rush this stage. This is where real creators are formed. And if this is your first time here, this channel is Growing with Creators, where we learn and grow along with creators. If this video helped you in any way, please comment below so we can connect. And if you want more honest YouTube growth conversation, please subscribe, like, and share this content. And let's grow together. And don't forget to watch my other videos popping up, because it could help you in another way. Thank you.